we talk about how can you use Shein app. So all you have to do, you just click here on your Shein app. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you like this here. So to sign up, you just click on me here in down. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on sign in and register. Just click on it. Here can you sign up with your Google, or here can you continue with your Facebook. I'm going to here sign up with my Google. So you just your email, then it's going to add with you here. So when you add your email, so it's going to show for you now, or it's going to open with you like this here. So it's going to show for you like this. And here can you find your email. So I'm going to home here. So when you just click on me here, it's going to show for you a list like this. You click on this sign here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Here can you manage your profile here. So if you want, just click on it again. Then it's going to take you to this list. Can you here add your nickname, and here can you find, or can you scan your QR code, and here can you add your bio. So here if you want to add your type, or can you add your preferences, can you select here. Then I will go back now, and here can you add your address book. So in here can you add your payment options. Here can you manage your account in this list, and here can you add your location. Here if you want to show your outfit, or show in the outfit, here can you find it in this list. So I have no show here in no outfit yet, but if you have it, can you find it in this list here. So then here can you change your language, and here your currency, and can you manage your contact preferences. Can you find here block contact list. Here can you clear cache. So then here can you sign out, and here if you want to switch your another with your another accounts here. So then we will go back here, and here in this list can you find your orders here, in paid order, and here processing here, in shipped, in reviewed and redeems. And here can you find gift card. In this list can you find your gift card here. Just add here card number and pin, then it's going to check with you here. Click on check balance, then it's going to show for you like it with you, and here can you pay it in this list here. So then we will go back now, and here can you find your card. Just click on it. Then here can you find, I'm going to skip this, and here can you find all items you add to your cards in this list. So in here can you find categories. In this list can you here select your categories you're looking for. So in here can you find your boutique index. Here can you find it. I'm going to show for you how can you shop on your, so on your Shein app. You just click on shop, and here you select any item you want to shop. I'm going to click on this glasses here. So then it's going to show for you like this. I'm going to shop these glasses here. It's going to show for you like this. Here if you want to add it to your cards, and here if you want to save it. So in here how can you pay it. I'm going to show for you how can you pay it in this list. So to shop here, all you have to do, you just click here on add to cart. When you just click on to cart, you go to your cards here, click on it. You click on your cart, then it's going to show for you this item you want to shop. Just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you here pair. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list to add here your shipping address. So here pronoun and pronoun to family here, and here your location, and here your first name, last name, in here your phone number, in here can you add your state, in here your city, in code or zip code. So then here add address 1, address 2. So then you just click here on conserver, then it's going to take you to ship this item uh, on your Shein app. So that's all you have to do here to ship on your Shein app. So then here can you ship all this, can you select it here. If you want to looking for any item here, just click on it, and here can you looking for any item you want to ship. So if you don't know the name, just can you, if you have image, can you just click on it here, and you pick picture to your items. Then here when you add it here, can it's going to show for you to so to search for it. So in here can you found your saved here. If you saved any items, can you found it here in the airports. So and now I'm going to show for you how can you solve and fix any problems you have on your Shein app. So all you have to do, you just go to your settings. So you click here on settings here. Then when you click on your settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just go down here. You just keep going down here until you will find apps, click on it. Then here you're looking for Shein app, or just click on search. Then here can you add Shein app, it's going to show for you like this, and you click on it. So then here it's going to show for you like this, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down until you will find storage, click on it. You click here on clear cache. So then you, when you click on clear cache, you go to your Play Store. Just click on Play Store here. So then it's going to show for you like this. Your Play Store, it's going to show for you like this here. In the first, you just click on search. So then here can you search for Shein. Just click add here Shein, then you click on it. It's going to show for you like this. You just click here on Shein. So then it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. If you have any problems, you will find here update. You just click on update, then it's going to solve and fix with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.